News Defense.
Welcome to the News Defense channel. Today, we're going to explore some exciting news from HDF 2024, where South Korean shipbuilder Hyundai Heavy Industries, or HHI, has officially confirmed that they are offering their HDF-3500 frigate design to the Philippine Navy. This is part of the Navy's ongoing frigate, full complement, acquisition project, also known as Frigate Phase 2, which is under the Re-Horizon 3 phase of the revised Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization Program. The HDF-3500 frigate is an impressive addition to the lineup, designed as a 3,500-ton class warship, with a length of about 129 meters. To put that in perspective, it's larger than the existing Miguel Malvar-class corvette, which is based on the smaller HDC-3200 design. It's also bigger than the Jose Rizal-class frigate, which uses the HDF-2600 design that the Philippine Navy currently operates. However, the HDF-3500 is smaller than the HDF-3800, which many defense analysts, including Philippines, believe could also be offered in the future as an alternative. At HDF 2024, Hyundai displayed a scale model of the HDF-3500 frigate, which gave us a clearer picture of its armaments and capabilities. The ship is equipped with a 76mm Auto Melara super rapid gun, which is a mainstay on many modern warships. For air defense, it boasts a 16-cell vertical launch system or VLS, likely loaded with VL MICA NG missiles. These are short-range air defense missiles known for their effectiveness. The frigate is also fitted with 8 anti-ship missile cells, most likely housing the LIG-NEX-1 Sea-Star missiles, which are well regarded for their precision and striking power. For close-in defense, the ship features the Aselsan Gokdenas Close-in Weapon System, CWS, a highly capable system that can counter incoming missiles and aircraft. Additionally, there are 2 triple torpedo tubes, adding another layer of anti-submarine warfare capability. This weapon configuration is quite similar to the one found on the Miguel Malvar-class corvette, but on a larger and more capable platform. After years of slow movement in the hands of inexperienced but determined people from the Philippines Department of National Defense, DND, and Philippine Navy, PN, an award was finally made for the Frigate Acquisition Program Lot 1, Platform and Launchers, recently. The project involves the acquisition of 2 frigate platforms, including all necessary equipment and weapon launchers. The only missing component of the frigates are the ammunition comprising the gun ammo, missiles, and torpedoes, which are covered by the project's Lot 2. During the Stage 2 phase of the bidding, GRSE was declared the lowest compliant bidder with a bid amount of PHP 15.047 billion, while HHI's bid was the second lowest at PHP 15.744 billion, a difference of almost PHP 700 million. The bids from Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering, DSME, and Navantia were found to be non-compliant, while STX and STX France did not submit a bid. When it seems that GRSE is on the road to winning the project with their offer using the Indian Navy's Kamorda-class large ASW corvette as a base hull, they were post-disqualified by the project management team, PMT, during the post-qualification stage after their net financial contracting capacity, NFCC, was found to be below the requirement based on the guidelines stipulated on the Implementing Rules and Regulations of Government Procurement Referred Act, RA 9184. GRSE tried to correct the problem days after the post-qualification stage, but it still did not meet the requirements. To be fair with GRSE, they submitted an eligible document on NFCC during the Stage 2 submission and opening of bid envelopes, SOBI, last December 2015. Government procurement rules says that in such cases, the PMT is then allowed to conduct post-qualification inspections on the next lowest compliant bidder, which is HHI. And upon completion of the PQ stage with HHI last June 2016, they were found to be the compliant and was later on declared as the lowest post-qualified bidder for the project. While an award was expected to be made in June 2016, it was decided by no less than former President Benigno Aquino III to give the next administration the respect and honor of rechecking the project details and do the awarding. This is to allow the project avoiding the risk of labeled as a midnight deal, which could be detrimental to the project's survival. Remember when former Pres. Gloria Arroyo was succeeded by Pres. Aquino in 2010, and cancelled the already awarded multi-role vessel, MRV. Another consideration that needs to be factored in is HHI's release of a newer design which they call the HDF-3500 Frigate, which will be used for the ROKN's FFX-3 project, considered stealth and better radar cross-section, and has improved several lapses on the HDF-3000's design based on inputs from active-duty Incheon-class frigates in the ROKN. Philippine Navy Species frigate would have a close physical dimension to the Incheon class, but will be superficially different based on the considerations made, and may even take slight design cues from the HDF-3500 especially on stealth application. Based on the supplementary bid bulletins provided by the DND during the bidding, and on the information provided by sources, Hyundai should be able to provide a working design for approval and implementation within 10 months from issuance of notice to proceed, NTP. Expect